As they say in France, buongiorno.
Everything is everything.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Let's get straight into these hot topics. As they say, with Brother West is out in the streets again, we want to say stop. S-T-O-P. Stop.
I concur.
That's right, and let's get straight into these hot topics. For our first hot topic, Bella Hadid swaps out her baggy jeans for the retro flame style. What are your thoughts, IK?
You know, Dr. Ross, she's a model. If she's doing it, it must be stylish.
That's right, models can put on anything, and they know how to work it. Let's get into our next hot topic, Jason Momoa. While he is running around in the van, we want to say go home. But apparently, allegedly, he's talking with Vin Diesel about his upcoming appearance in the Fast and Furious 10. What are your thoughts, IK?
Brother Momoa, return home.
That's
That's
right.
my advice from IK to you. Return back to the 2 kids you have at home, because you know.
That's right, and
We know you're trying to work things out right now, Momoa, but
that's right.
go back home.
The thing I want to say about the Fast and Furious 10, though, IK, I feel like Fast and Furious 10 will be just a minute now. IK and I might be in it too. Let's get into our next hot topic. So on the real daytime TV, they've been having a lot of drama going on recently and a lot of news. Like Miss Jeannie Mai has her baby now, and it is a girl. They announced that recently, instead of it being a boy, and they were going to call it Snowman.
That's right, young Jeezy.
But Lonnie was emotional, revealing highlights of the importance of spending time with your loved ones. What are your thoughts, IK?
No comment. Let's get into our next hot topic.
James Kennedy claims he dodged the bullet after his ex, Raquel, did an un-engagement party. What are your thoughts, IK?
She's sounding a lot like Dr. Dre to me, Dr. Ross. When he had
Exactly.
the balloons up saying, I'm unmarried.
It sounds like they're bitter. See you at the Super Bowl, Dr. Dre.
Let's get into our next hot topic.
DEA makes a large drug bust in a forgotten neighborhood in North Dallas. What are your thoughts, IK?
Drug busts to be made every day, but this one is big for Texas. Let's get into our next hot topic.
Mila Kunis and Demi Moore star in the Super Bowl ad together. Seems like everyone's getting excited and they're getting ready for the Super Bowl.
You know, Dr. Ross, with Milo Kunis and with the other woman, both thumbs down. They're
That's
both.
right.
You know, Dr. Ross, they haven't done a lot of things for a while, but I'm gonna still say thumbs down.
Thumbs down. I will say Demi Moore looked good in the ad though. On to our next hot topic, and it's featuring our She's Hot winner. But CBS Mornings co-anchor Gayle King signs a new deal with the CBS News. What are your thoughts, IK?
I guess Gayle King's getting her new show.
That's right. And Miss Gayle King is our She's Hot winner for today. Congratulations, Miss Gayle King, on your win.
Congratulations, Miss Gayle King. Miss Gayle King is a news informant and a part of CBS News now.
That's right. But I just want to say, Snoop Dogg, don't blow down our door. But Gayle King, Miss Gayle King, congratulations on your win for the She's Hot contest.
And I hate to say it, Dr. Ross, Snoop Dogg probably won't blow down the door. I'm going to put the photo right here, and I'll let you guys decide. We're going to get into our next hot topic.
So, I want to take a moment, just a moment of silence, just to mention that IK and I just saw part 1 of Janet, the documentary of Janet Jackson on A&E. It came on at 8 o'clock, and part 2 comes out tomorrow. What were your thoughts on it, IK?
Our editors are going to put a clip in right here saying, the clip is pretty much all I have to say about the entirety of the first part of Janet Jackson's documentary.
Oh, boo-hoo. Let me play a sad song for you on the world's smallest violin.
This is serious.
I know. This really is the world's smallest violin. See?
But Janet Jackson was just crying around the entire time.
Exactly.
The whole time was whining about things she didn't have and things she couldn't do.
And that's right. And you know, Janet, we love you. You know that Janet is an icon from here to Budapest. But we want to say, IK is right. I don't know what this documentary was supposed to be telling us, whether you were too spoiled or you just didn't have everything you wanted. So what I want to say is, Janet, go out, breathe some fresh air, and buy everything that you feel you missed out in your childhood. Let's get into our next hot topic. Katy Perry shows off her figure in a stunning black ensemble backstage at SNL. What are your thoughts, IK?
I guess Katy Perry is coming back after she had the baby.
She looks good here. She actually cut down a little bit of that baby fat, and she's reemerged herself. Reimbursed like a phoenix.
Well, Katy Perry wants to get back in the spotlight. That's what she wants to do.
That's right. She had that baby. She started working out, getting the weight, and then she said, you know what? I'm back in the streets. Let's get into our last and final hot topic. So for our last and final hot topic, this one's going to be a quick one. But IK and I, while we were watching the documentary for Janet, we also saw a piece of first episode of Secrets of Playboy Mansion. What are your thoughts on that, IK? Because that one was a bombarded shell.
You know, all of the women on there were saying things like Hugh Hefner was a crook and a criminal and also just the devil incarnate himself.
Yes.
In my opinion, Hugh Hefner was a player, and not only that, he was a hustler, a good hustler.
A money-making showman.
That's
Show
right.
business, baby. Except for, I will say, like you said, IK, everyone was complaining on there. There was one lady that is particularly bitter. We'll put her right here. But I will say, there was one hustling lady out there where she wrote a book on it. She was the only one saying that she was happy to be a part of Playboy. She's glad Playboy happened. She's glad that Hugh Hefner was doing what he was doing. So we didn't know about that, but hustlers talk with hustlers.
And Hefner may be gone now, but that's why Dr. Ross and I are taking the reins. We're going to start it back up again with Playboy International.
That's right. We hear Cardi B wants to take a visit.
We might have to contact Cardi B. But these were all of our hot topics for today. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get all of our latest and greatest updates.
That's right. And once again, congratulations to Miss Gayle King on your win for the She's Hot contest.
Congratulations, Ms.
Shake
Gayle
them up,
King.
Gayle.
Exactly. But these were all of our hot topics, and we'll see you guys on the next episode of Rose and Gold.
P.S. I forgot to mention that Katy Perry is getting her figure back together because she's going to be starting up the new season of American Idol.
Good for you. But we also wanted to mention Vegas Dave, the hustler and the player. You know, Dr. Ross, he's been betting on roulette and he's been winning all the time.
That's what we like to hear.
Player Dave, we love to work something with you. We'd love for you to invest in our films.
Put your money where your mouth is.
That's right, because you may be gambling, but you'll make more money in the movie, the entertainment industry.
That's right.
Tell them to bring me my money.
And Dave, we'll see you in Las Vegas
That's
to
right.
do business deals.
Living the vida loca.
That's right.
And also, Dr. Ross,
What do you have to say, IK?
Kylie!
Who? Old news.
That's right. And also for Kim Kardashian, not to go on a tangent, but we know that the relationship with Pissy Pete is not going to last a long time. I'm still available. And I'm not going to take you out to pizza like Pissy Pete. I'm not that low. I'll take you out to lunch, brunch, or dinner. The choice is yours.
There's only so long that Kim can be helping the leukemia patients. It's a hard job. But we want to say, Kanye, he's been posting his picture for his album with the monkey that is skinless. Now, we don't know what the point of this was, Kanye, but a few of the lyrics, if you listen to the song, is where Kanye speaks about how he's going to beat Pistol Pete. Now, what are your thoughts about this idea?
You know, Dr. Ross, I know the album is titled Easy. I don't know if he's saying it's easy to skin a monkey or if he's saying it's easy to make a song.
We'll put the picture right here.
But Kanye, get your act together. These were all of our hot topics. We'll catch you guys on the next episode of Rose and Gold.
Let your head down the meat.
Like a watermelon. We're